What's going on, guys? It's Julio, the Roadside Genius. And if you're ever wondering how much money it takes to build a mobile tire service truck with equipment inside, I'm about to show you guys how much it costs to build this one. So if you're wondering what kind of truck this is a 2012 Chevy Express box truck, 3500 with a 6.0 liter engine. I bought this one for about 8 grand about 2 years ago. Nowadays market, the truck's probably worth about 15 to 20 grand. And that's how much I would expect that you're gonna buy a truck with enough room to put tire stuff in. It's gonna cost you about 10 to 15, maybe even 20 grand. If you wanna buy something nice like a ProMaster or a Sprinter van, that's gonna cost you probably 30 or 40 or 50 grand. You can make this as complex or as simple as you want it to be. This is pretty simplified. It's just a box truck and I put equipment in it. Now, let's go inside the box truck and show you guys what kind of equipment we got in here. So, inside the box truck, we've got a tire changer, we've got a balancer, a generator, air compressor, tools, all sorts of tools, jacks, and then sockets to do all kind of tire changes and stuff. So, for all the small stuff you see, guys, pretty much everything on that rack, these hose reels, all this sockets and stuff, that's probably gonna be around $2,000 to $2,500. And I'm including that bottle jack over there, these floor jacks, this socket, and then everything on this rack, right? All the tire changing equipment, random tools. You're looking at about 2,500 bucks in just miscellaneous items, right? The next thing we're gonna look at, Predator inverter generator. The inverter generator is for sale at Harbor Freight for about 900 bucks. After you buy insurance with it, which I recommend, it's gonna run you probably around 1,200 to 1,300 bucks for the Predator inverter generator. Now this air compressor is a North Star air compressor. This is the smaller one of the two versions they had, and this one right now is retailing for about 1,300, but I bought the insurance on that too, and I think the total came out to like 1,600 for this compressor. Now those tire changer and balancer combo, you can buy those online. I don't know exactly how much they are, but the combo itself is probably around 3,500 bucks to 4,000. And then when you add all that up, guys, you're looking at about, let's just say 4,000 over there. Let's just say 3,000 right here, that's 7. And then you got the equipment at around 2,500. Let's just say about 10 grand for your mobile tire truck to get fully operational with equipment inside. Now this is just the equipment cost. Like you're looking at 10,000 to maybe 12,000 in equipment purchasing, right? Now the extras are like lights and little stuff I carry. I'm not showing you guys any jump boxes or anything like that, so that's not included. But if you had to ask me, how much does it cost to build a roadside assistance mobile tire truck that you can use to do mobile tires on the spot and not struggle with it? That's gonna run you about $15,000 to $25,000. About $30,000 if you're looking for something nicer, and it could go as high as up $150,000 to $200,000. I've seen other companies that buy brand new vehicles, put brand new equipment in it, and that's where you can see those prices skyrocket like that. But that's how much it costs to make this guy work, guys. The truck itself was about 11 grand. Equipment inside, everything in it, about another 10 grand. You're looking at about 25 or so to start a mobile tire business.